Whoa! I'm Luigi.
I'm Paddington.
I'm Florence.
Welcome to Luigi and Friends. And we will have lots of fun. And more great adventure.
And more have lots of fun. Welcome to Luigi and Friends. Welcome to Luigi and Friends.
Callie's Hiccups. Callie and Luigi were having sweets for snack today.
Callie and Luigi can't wait to go outside and play catch the ball.
Hey Mom, can I go outside to play with Callie?
Play when you finish your snack.
Great.
Callie! Don't drink your water too quickly.
Callie drank her water too quickly, and now she has hiccups. Hey Mom, can we go outside to play now, please?
That's Callie's hiccups.
But Callie's hiccups are gone, Mom. Haven't you, Callie?
Luigi, you can go out to play now. It's your choice. We love you seeing playing with Callie.
Sure, son.
Go ahead.
Yeah, Luigi, you can go out to play now.
Come on, Callie, let's go play outside. Alright, Callie, I'm gonna go pass the ball to you, okay? Callie, please stop hiccuping. Now, I'm going to pass the ball to you, okay? Ready? Callie! Now, I'm going to pass the ball to you. And you will pass the ball to me, okay? Okay? Are you ready? Hurry. Pass it to me. Ow! Callie! Oh dear. The Callie's hiccups started spoiling the game. I know how to stop your hiccups. You have to do it as I say. Now, rub your head and rubber on your tummy. Like this. Now you try. Good. Now your hiccups are gone.
Luigi's cure hiccups doesn't seem to be work.
Callie, you've done it all wrong. I know how the way to cure your hiccups. First, you have to do a hop on 3 times. Like this. Now you try. Now you close your eyes and hop by flipping your wings. Like this. Now you try, Callie. And now, you should close your eyes, spin around 3 times. You should go try it. Callie, is your hiccups gone? Oh my goodness, Callie! Callie, are you okay?
Luigi's new cure doesn't seem to work either. Callie still has hiccups.
I know the cure hiccups. The ill inkling must be shocked. Callie, I'm going to scare you. But you must remember, it's only a game that will stop your hiccups. Remember, it is just a pretend scary. Sorry, Ma. I'm just trying to stop Callie's hiccups. Callie's hiccups are gone.
Everyone! It's drink time!
With a Coca-Cola bottle. Ooh, Coca-Cola! I love Coca-Cola.
Callie, if you drink too quickly, you might get hiccups again.
Well, as Callie, I can drink faster as any more I want to. Whoa. I'm Luigi.
I'm Paddington.
I'm Florence.
Welcome to Luigi and Friends. And we will have lots of fun and more great adventure.
And more have lots of fun. Welcome to Luigi and Friends. Welcome to Luigi and Friends.